What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, host of the How To Show, where we talk about optimizing life, money, and happiness one how-to at a time. And this week, I have a couple of thoughts, and I'm really opening up the floor to the comments to find out if I'm doing this the right way or maybe there's a better way to do it. Unfortunately, we're talking about taxes here, but this is the period of time between January and February where you start to have to gather all those tax forms. You have to find some way to store them so that you can either do your taxes yourself efficiently or have somebody else do them for you. And it seems to me like every single day there's an email that says you're getting some new tax form, come and download it, or it's coming in the mailbox, or whatever the case is. And even if you think that your tax situation is simple, you're still going to get several of these. You know, if you've got a savings account, you're going to get one for interest. If you've got a health savings account, you're going to get one for that. If you own a home, you're going to get one for the interest you paid there. A whole bunch of these tax forms just funnel in, and the more complex your situation, the more of them you're going to have. So what are we going to talk about today? How do we maintain that database such that it's really easy? And if you ever have to go back to them in future years about what you did this year, you've got it all right there for you. So the way that I do this is that I scan everything in, and either using a scanner, or if I use my phone, there is an app called Genius Scan. The icon is orange, and this is a lifesaver. You just hold your phone up above the thing, it'll convert it to a PDF, you can send it anywhere you want, and then you create yourself a folder for your 2023 tax return, and you dump everything in there. All your W-2s, anything you got like that, 1099s, credit card statements, whatever you got there that goes for your taxes for that year. You put it all in one spot so that you can have it ready to go for the following year. And when you pay your taxes, you still keep all that stuff, because if the IRS ever decides that they want to get intimate with your situation, you've got to be able to produce all that stuff. So this is something that we haven't talked about in the past. That'd be getting audited. Hopefully it doesn't happen to anybody that's watching this, because you've done all the things correctly, you've checked all the right boxes. But in the event that it does, you need to make sure that you've got your boxes filled, and that you have all the data to back up all the data that you're sending over to them. And so I do this just in a simple file folder. I keep it on an external drive. I also keep it in the cloud. And that's how I do it. But I really want to open this episode up to you. Is there a better way? Is there some sort of management software or some sort of hack that exists to help folks keep all their tax stuff in one spot so that it's easy to access? And so let me know in the comments if you've got a better way to do this than I do, and totally cool if you do. I welcome that. I don't have everything figured out over here, but I just like talking about things that can hopefully help people, and I think this might be one of those areas. So that's going to bring this episode of the show to a close. As always, engage with me about this episode and future episodes in the comments down below. If you need to transact real estate in the Indianapolis market, I can help you with that. Get in touch with me at indiedwell.com, or you can do that in the comments as well. Be sure to subscribe to be the first to know about new content each and every Wednesday. Until next time, this is Anthony Drew Gary, host of The How To Show, signing off.